Hello guys, in this video I will show you how we can make thousands of money with play game on Telegram. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's do this. First, you should go to the Telegram and search this bot, MetaCoin_bot. On this bot, you can earn Tron with play game. Right now, it has a 3 game: Mine Room, King Tower, and Target. First one is Mine Room. The second one is King Tower. And the last one is Target. You can make thousands of dollars with these games. You can deposit and withdraw TRX. Also, you can earn extra money with your referral. You can find the link of this bot on the description. Thanks for watching this video. If it's useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to support me. Thank you.